And I might as well get to the point. Y'all want to know what I'm talking about. Well, in my video, good morning, my little newsies. How are my little newsies doing? I know I've been gone for a minute, a few days, but I have on my lovely hair. This is my birthday hair, so I'm going on a bus trip on the 2nd of September, and I wanted to have my hair for the bus trip. Actually, I just wanted to have my hair for September for my birthday hair, and I says, yeah, let me go ahead and do my hair. So I did my hair, and I have to get used to this. To me, it's too freaking dark. I know it may lighten up, but to color it, I didn't want to color it. I was hoping that it would just lighten up, but it's so freaking dark. So I'm about to jump on this freeway, and I brought one of my tripods, and we're gonna see how me video record in this shop. Of course, it's gonna have to be time lapse because of the music, and I don't want to get copywritten. So I'm so freaking thirsty. So I'm drinking my water with the Jolly Ranchers green apple. And this is 1.5 liters of water. It was coconut water, but I drank all the coconut water. So, I gotta get used to this. This is like, oh my gosh. Since I had the hair on, it's like my exercising. I haven't been exercising as hard. I just don't want to mess up the hair before, because if y'all knew where I got this hair from, I'm not gonna say where I got this hair from because they ain't paying me nothing. But I bought originally 20 inches, and then I ordered 22, then I ordered 24. So this is the 24 with the 22. So I think the next time I'm gonna order, I'm just gonna order all 24. So yeah. I like this hair because it's like really, really thin on the ends. I don't like it to be thick all the way down. Anyway, it's just, I mean, it's still a freaking lot of hair to me because I'm not used to it. And it's touching my neck. Anywho, I'm gonna try to do some It's Just Hair videos for my newsies, and I am going to do a challenge. I think they're getting ready to build my norms, Excuse me, but let me look again. Is that going to be Norm's? I don't know. They built another restaurant over here. Me and Robert, we waiting for Norm's. They were supposed to have been there in the spring, and this is almost the end of summer. But anywho, I'm going to have a challenge, and the challenge is, of course, it has to do with Fitbit. I've been slacking in Fitbit, doing a little over 10,000, a little over 11,000, and I really want to not talk about the steps exactly, but I know I've been slacking. So my challenge is going to be for 1 week, for 7 days, 7 whole days. I want to burn 4,000 calories each day. So that challenge is going to start next week on Monday. Today is Thursday, so Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Today is the 22nd, 23rd, 24th, 25th, 26th. Y'all, it's gonna be for Monday. I believe it's the 26th. Monday the 26th. Let's make sure. Monday. Yes, Monday, August 26th through September 1st. Those are going to be my 7 days. I am going to do my 4,000 calorie challenge. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a video for 7 days, every day, showing you if I made it or if I did not make it. We're still going to do it because I'm going to turn around and probably try to do another challenge. So my first challenge of the year's almost over, will be 4,000 calories burned each day. So let's see how we do. It's so freaking smoggy. Ugh. Let me show y'all. Okay, we got this truck on the side of us, but let me see if I can turn y'all. See, we have the mountains that I'm gonna slowly turn, you guys. Wait, hold on. Let's see if I can reach. And I want y'all to see how the air look like smoke. This is what we breathe here in Cali. And I don't know why you guys want to come here and breathe this. I'm going to tell y'all right now, that smog you see is no joke. But I've been in California so long, and plus I was born in California, even though I left California and I came back. But when I came back to California, the smog is no joke. I used to have chest pains. This is while I was in junior high and high school. I would have chest pains, and I was not overweight when I was in junior high school and high school, okay? But this smog really hurt. I mean, if you're not used to it and you come, you're gonna have to get used to it. And I can't remember if I used to have headaches, but pretty much my body adjusts to it. But just to see it, it's horrible. So let me address something, okay? This is to one of my newsies. Y'all know I love my newsies. Y'all know I do. I love each and every one of you guys. But I want to just tell y'all one thing. If there's one person that is complaining about anything that I'm doing in my video, I'm sorry. I cannot make everybody happy. I can only make me happy. So this is what I'm doing, and if I put things out in videos that you don't like, I'm making me happy. So that's me. And I don't want to be what they call it, I don't want to be like anybody else. I want to be like myself, and that is what I'm striving to be, is myself. And if myself is a little off to you and you don't like some things that I do in a video, I'm making myself happy. And all I can say is I'm sorry, but you know, that's me. That's me. That's how I is. Okay? And I might as well get to the point. Y'all want to know what I'm talking about? Well, in my video of it is my ad that I'm using as an intro. I have videos that I have for ads, but I have not paid to put them out there to advertise my channel. So every now and then I'll make an ad. So I use that ad in my other channel called Newsy62 the Mukbanger, and of course I belch. I say excuse me, and the reason I belch because that's me, and it's loud because that's me. My mom get on me all the time. You know, she expect me to be, you know, belch with no sound, but it just come out. I'm not going to sit up there and hold air in and cause myself to have gas or something. No, I cannot. So if you really want to know something, not only do I burp, but I have recordings of me, the air coming out the other end, but I did not put that one on there. But I'm just saying, that's me. I'm human, and this is what makes me happy. I kind of think it's funny, but I say excuse me, and that is respecting my newsies. So anyway, I have where's my gum? I haven't had gum in I don't know how many days. I think the last time I had gum was Saturday. This is Thursday. I have one stick in there. I need to re-up on my gum. I bought 4 packs, but I might have one in my purse. Those 4 packs last me like a month. I think there's how many sticks? 14. It's 14 sticks in each pack. I bought 4 packs, so that's 56 sticks of gum. And I still have a pack. I think it's in my purse. I don't know how many I have left. I have 1 left in here. So it's been over a month. I don't chew gum that often, because if I do it, my jaw will get out of line. And I'll start biting my cheeks. That's horrible, to bite your cheek and then turn around and bite your cheek in the same spot. Today is what? 22nd. So my 4,000 calorie, I'll be in my 4,000 calorie challenge with when I have to do my measurements. Stay tuned for my measurements September 30th. But anywho, I want to say this. I am not really doing keto anymore. I don't know if I mentioned that. I have mentioned it to my friends, but I'm doing low carb. Now I did for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and this morning I had a banana and water smoothie. Let's put frozen bananas, pour some water, and blend. And that's what I have for breakfast. It's like I need a coffee. I need gum. That is why I hadn't been yawning. Oh my gosh. Forget the trick of gum. The trick of gum, after I start chewing this, I should stop yawning. newsies. All right, my newsies, I'm almost to work. And go ahead and subscribe. It's free. It's always free. And don't forget to click that notification bell, because if y'all want to see them challenges and them inches going down, you're going to see me melt and melt and melt and melt. Go ahead and, like I said, go ahead and click that bell. And as always, if I can say I love you, you can definitely love yourself. Bye.